This Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop Burner is a versatile and efficient cooking appliance that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features, this induction cooktop is perfect for a variety of settings, from busy home kitchens to dorms, offices, and even camping trips. In this detailed review, we'll explore the various features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop Burner to help you determine if it's the right addition to your culinary arsenal. The Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop Burner boasts a stylish black crystal design that complements modern kitchen aesthetics. Its compact and portable form factor makes it easy to move and store, perfect for those who need a versatile cooking solution that can be used in different locations. The cooktop features two independently controlled cooking zones, each with its own set of touch sensor controls, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously with ease. One of the standout features of the Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop Burner is its impressive performance. The left burner offers 9 power levels ranging from 200 to 1800 watts and 10 temperature settings from 140 to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. The right burner provides 8 power levels from 200 to 1600 watts with the same temperature range. This flexibility ensures that you can cook a wide variety of dishes with precision and control. The induction technology used in the Aobosi cooktop is highly efficient, converting more energy into heat and minimizing waste. This results in faster cooking times and lower energy consumption compared to traditional gas or electric stoves. The cooktop's electromagnetic induction heating ensures that heat is generated directly in the cookware, making it a safer option with no open flames or hot coils. The Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop Burner is designed with the user in mind, offering a range of convenient features that make cooking easier and more enjoyable. The touch sensor control panel is intuitive and responsive, allowing you to adjust the temperature and power levels with ease. The cooktop also includes a digital timer that can be set for up to 240 minutes, providing precise control over cooking times. One of the key highlights of this induction cooktop is the child safety lock. By pressing the plus and button simultaneously, you can activate the lock to prevent accidental adjustments, making it safe for households with young children. Additionally, the cooktop has built-in safety systems, including automatic pot detection, overheating protection, and overpressure and overcurrent protection, ensuring a safe cooking environment. The Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop Burner is incredibly versatile and suitable for use in a variety of settings. Whether you're cooking in your kitchen, hosting a backyard party, or camping in the great outdoors, this portable cooktop has you covered. It's compatible with magnetic cookware such as cast iron, enameled steel, or magnetic stainless steel, ensuring that you can use your favorite pots and pans. The cooktop's portability is further enhanced by its lightweight design, making it easy to transport and set up wherever you need it. This makes it an ideal choice for those who need a reliable cooking solution in locations with limited kitchen facilities, such as dormitories, RVs, or holiday homes. Keeping the Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop Burner clean is a breeze thanks to its smooth black crystal surface. Since the induction technology heats only the cookware and not the cooktop itself, spills and splatters are less likely to burn onto the surface, making it easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth. The disposable design of the vac-mop pads also eliminates the need for filter maintenance, ensuring that the cooktop stays in top condition with minimal effort. Conclusion: the Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop Burner is a powerful and versatile cooking appliance that offers a host of features designed to make your cooking experience more efficient and enjoyable. Its dual cooking zones, precise temperature control, and high energy efficiency make it a valuable addition to any kitchen, while its portability and stylish design ensure that it can be used in a variety of settings. Whether you're preparing meals at home, hosting a party, or cooking on the go, the Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop Burner delivers reliable performance and convenience. Its user-friendly features, safety systems, and easy maintenance make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking setup with a modern, efficient, and portable solution. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.